I'm here with the Daily Edited founder Alyce Tran in her stunning office, and to celebrate the launch of Wedgwood's Wonderlust tea and teaware collection, we thought we would have a cup of tea, and the collection is actually inspired by travels through Europe and Asia. So we thought we'd get Alice's take on travel, because you do a lot of travel with your work,
Yeah,
whether you like it or not.
Yes.
Now, you have an office in New York, and obviously you have to travel a lot for work. Tell me, what are some of your best travel tips? So I guess you've got it down to a fine art by now.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I travel for work, so it's very structured, and I have like a routine. So in terms of like wardrobe, I actually don't have very many clothes. I think I have 20 outfits. So my packing is really quick. So I have 10 summer outfits and 10 winter outfits, effectively, and some coats.
That's clever. So capsule wardrobe.
Yeah, very capsule wardrobe. So I pack the day of or the night before.
Wow.
One suitcase, one spare suitcase.
Yeah.
And I get to the airport, like literally I don't want to stress people out, but I don't do that 2 hour before thing. I get there an hour before. I also book flights really late because I find that the price doesn't change either. So whether, it's now like 6 months out or 6 weeks out or 6 days out, unless you're hitting like a sale, there's kind of no point. And then it enables you to kind of work your calendar harder, I think.
I mean, what's your favourite luggage?
So it's interesting because we have luggage in the pipeline for TDE, and I'm actually learning about how difficult it is to construct, because there is actually really beautiful luggage out there that will last a lifetime. So currently I'm using Samsonite cases, and inside I have obviously all of our TDE accessories. So I've got our tech case, our travel cases for my cosmetics and skincare and stuff.
Nice.
On the plane I use a small TDE travel case with like some of my essentials in there. Like I use a mask by La Mer that sort of keeps you hydrated on those long flights. I really like this.
Oh, yes.
It's the
refining facial, yeah.
So I really like that, and I like, to chuck on a serum because, it's just like
Hydration.
you just need the hydration.
Yeah. Do you have like an outfit that you always go to for the plane that's really comfortable but stylish?
Okay, so I often pack 3 outfits. So
For the plane?
For the plane.
Oh.
So no, sorry, 2, because I wear one, and then I'm often flying to New York.
Yes.
So, and I've discovered a new route through Japan, which is really great. So it's Sydney to Tokyo, Tokyo to JFK, and they check your bags all the way through, which means you have to be super organized with your carry-on.
Yes.
So I wear these weird cashmere trousers, drop crotch. Every time I get off the plane though, I've always admired people who look really respectable when they get off the plane, because I'm like, nailing life. So now I want to be one of these people too. So I have like a pair of tailored acne trousers and like a Celine shirt that I put on, and I look at me looking very pulled together.
Big sunglasses.
When I get to Tokyo, because everyone in when you get to the Tokyo airport, they're really well put together people. When I get to New York, because it's been such a long time, I feel like having a nice outfit. Like, so I'll put on like a dress, like a shirt dress like I'm wearing now, or a neat pair of trousers and a little jumper or something. And I feel like when I roll into the hotel, it's not such a, I'm not in such a state.
Yes. And I guess...
So I feel like there's method in that, when people get off and they look glam, and I'm like, I think it also makes you feel better.
That's right, and pre-planning. So with travel, I mean, you told me before that you don't actually enjoy it that much. You've got to do it for work.
So I'm not traveling for leisure a lot,
Yeah.
if ever. I haven't actually been on holidays since the business really started.
Wow, okay.
I'm aiming to take a holiday in June next year.
Your first?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's something that I'm actually working towards, so 2 weeks off. I've actually never been to Italy. I know that sounds really sad because everyone's been. So that's in the pipeline, but...
So I was going to ask you, do you have Wonderlust? I guess you're lusting after a holiday.
Yeah, I think I do. But I just don't have the time to kind of indulge in the thought.
Yeah, fair enough. No, well, that's how you build a business to be this successful. You work, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
So speaking of Wonderlust, we are drinking from the beautiful Wedgwood collection. Tell me, what's your favourite from the collection?
I love this. I think it's called the Rococo print.
Yes.
I was actually... I've actually bought a lot of this stuff for our own Instagram, so I really like it.
Well, I've got the yellow tonkin, which was inspired by the Shaolin city in China, which is the city of chrysanthemums, would you believe?
Lovely.
And yours is apparently 18th century Paris art I love the way the tea matches the teaware. So this is actually, my
so
tea
yours
is yellow.
Is a bit darker than mine.
Yeah. So mine's got echinacea, basil, citrus peel, and beautiful chrysanthemum flowers in it, which is lovely.
This is a white peony tea.
Do you drink a lot of tea?
Yes, I actually do, because I can't be drinking like 6 coffees a day. So I have 2 coffees and then the rest is tea, and I actually find it quite calming.
Yeah, I find it too. It's got the health benefits of antioxidants as well. Now tell me what's next for the Daily Edited.
So after Christmas, I'm going to Singapore. So we've got a store there, and we're just shaking up some things in Singapore, which is exciting. And then we're actually expanding into the UK, which is very
exciting.
And another store in the US. So we've got one standalone store in New York, so we're doing another one in LA, which will be
fantastic. Well, that's very exciting. And what's your favourite current accessory from your line?
Oh. Okay, well, conveniently I have it here. I really am liking the box clutch.
Oh,
good for
that's divine.
like the party season.
I've got a square one, like a bigger one, which is great for cosmetics as well.
Exactly. So this is kind of just like a little bit cute.
That is gorgeous.
Yeah,
lovely. And finally, do you have any advice for budding entrepreneurs?
Don't be scared, just Google it if you don't know the answer. I think that's like one of my key things. People were like, how do you do this? And I'm like, I didn't know how to do anything. I literally Googled, clicked on a few things, called a few people, worked out the answers. It's all in the research. So Google, research, and just, don't be afraid to fail. So
that's very good advice. Well, thank you so much for giving up your Saturday morning, and it's a very busy time for you, so I really appreciate it.
Thank you for coming in. It was really nice.
Thank you.